This is our first week of FLL Robotics Summer Camp. We wanted to generate interest in our robotics programs at the elementary level. We wanted to give kids an opportunity to explore what the robotics programs are without the pressure of competition.
My favorite part was building the robots and coding them. I learned how to build a robot I really never knew and how to code it. It would be really fun because you would get to build a robot again and use instructions again. So that's why I want to join robotics next year.
The most exciting part for me this week has been some of the kids coming in that have had no robotics experience at all and going through and figuring out how to build the robot platform and then solving a mission on their own and then coding it to match what they expected.
My favorite part about this camp was building with Legos. I like building a lot. That is very fun. You should join. You're gonna like it. It's really fun. I'm thinking of joining robotics as well because it's really fun. I like building with Legos and I like coding a lot and doing challenges.